One of the jobs we've got to do is fit new seals here in the between the roof and the body side. Now I did give some seals to the body shop, but I inadvertently picked up the ones for a series truck. Now actually I thought they were the same, and they are on the very early Defenders, which I thought this one was. But apparently, as you know, Land Rover chop and change parts around like nobody's business, and I gave them the wrong seal. And this is the difference. This profile here is off a series truck, and this is the old seal. But this, wait a minute, let me get this one, better one here. This profile here is off the Defender. Now, if I turn these upside down like this, you'll find that the Defender one is thinner. So I'm just wondering what's happened there. I don't know about that. But what I'm going to do is fit these today. Quite an easy job. If your Land Rover's sort of stripped down, it would have been easier to do them with the roof off. But, well, hey ho, one of the problems we face. What we're going to do, we've got no bolts in the roof. And I would love to have taken it off completely and do this, but I can't because I'm on my own. So what I'm going to do is loosen off the hinge, where there's a hinge for the front windscreen sometimes, or that bracket at the front. There's three bolts, three fastenings at the front. I'm going to back them off but not take them out, and that will allow me to lift the roof up a little bit and put a support inside so I can drop the new seals in place. Now, one of the things that's really important when you're working on a car like this, it's all newly painted, is to protect the paint as much as you can. And if you wonder why I'm always wearing shop coats, well, it's because the buttons are hidden inside, and that means, or the press studs or whatever, so you've got a nice cloth finish against any paint, and you're not scratching with belt buckles or zips or anything like that. You've got nothing to damage the paint. When you fit in your seal, just try it in first, just drop it in, and then you can sort of trim the ends where they're a little bit longer. Now, you start in the corner here and work that way and then work that way. Don't start at one end, otherwise you'll have a big pucker in the end because the seals are actually longer. Now, for some strange reason, which I do not know, that Land Rover put a little piece of dum-dum in this corner here when they fitted the seal. So, it must have been fitted for a reason. So we're going to do exactly the same. So that's that side done. The other side is exactly the same. There's nothing really to know. But it is good to know that there's two different types of seal. So I'm going to continue fitting that. And what we do at the front, you cut your seal just that little bit longer. Cut your seal just that little bit longer and push it back. And the reason is when you've been pulling the seal out like this, you'll stretch it somewhat, so you need to pull it back. So in time it doesn't shrink back. It could do, you never know. So I'm going to fit those. That's an easy job, anybody can do that one, but get the right seal. Alright, we'll talk to you later.